Have you ever wondered how the milk you drink every day travels from happy cows in green pastures to creamy desserts on your table?
From farm to fridge, witness how fresh milk becomes your favorite desserts.
Utilizing the latest in sustainable technology, this modern dairy farm is able to produce high-quality products while maintaining a low-carbon footprint.
Here at the ranch, we take pride in raising the healthiest Angus cattle. It all starts with the finest, lush, green pasture.
This group looks very healthy, clean coats, good respiration. Jot that down, we're clear for today.
The milking process is underway. Watch the slow-motion flow of this rich milk as it travels from the cow to the tank.
Cleaning and sanitizing the equipment properly is essential for preventing contamination and ensuring the quality of our products.
Breaker 19, this here's the milkman. Just pulled out of the farm, heading south on Route 65.
We need to clear Bay 2 before the next shipment arrives. Keep an eye on the pressure gauge.
The RFID tag ensures accurate identification. As you can see, the data is automatically logged the moment the scan is complete.
The milk is collected in these stainless steel containers, ensuring hygienic handling throughout the process.
On-site quality checks are crucial. We take a raw milk sample and run it through the analyzer to ensure it meets our rigorous standards.
We pump the milk directly from the parlor into these tanks, ensuring it cools rapidly to maintain freshness.
We ensure the milk is kept at the perfect temperature from the farm to the facility, maintaining freshness every mile of the journey.
The raw milk is transported directly from the receiving tanks through our sealed stainless steel pipelines.
Okay, I've cross-referenced the manifest. The barcodes match the physical samples. We are good to process batch 34B.
We first test for fat and protein levels using the automated analyzer. Then, we prepare the samples for bacteria.
After collection, the raw milk undergoes initial clarification, passing through these specialized filters to remove any remaining impurities.
These sensors check both temperature and quality in real time. The milk is chilled to 2 degrees Celsius, ensuring it's completely optimal before it reaches you.
Okay, log in the morning yield for number 74. Total volume 11.8 gallons. Data confirmed and synced to the blockchain.
This is the raw milk as it arrives from the farms. It's kept cool in these vats before moving on to the pasteurization process.
The raw milk is pumped from the silos into the pasteurizer, where it is quickly heated and then cooled to eliminate harmful bacteria.
This is the critical heat treatment stage, where pressurized steam ensures the milk is perfectly sterilized while maintaining its rich, silky texture.
Following pasteurization, the product enters these cooling tanks, where the temperature is rapidly reduced to prevent spoilage.
As you can see, the milk is incredibly smooth and creamy. The consistency test confirms optimal viscosity.
The fresh milk is carefully transported through our sterile stainless steel pipelines directly to the production sections.
After pasteurization, the milk flows into these large vats, where the cultures are added and fermentation begins.
Now we introduce the bacterial culture directly into the milk. We'll swirl it gently until it's fully incorporated.
Here at the factory, we blend the fresh fruit puree directly into the yogurt for that perfect taste.
As you can see, the fresh milk surges rapidly through the pipes into the vats below, ready for the cheese-making process to begin.
The fresh curds are loaded into the molds. Then, the hydraulic press descends, squeezing out the whey, and
The filling machines dispense the yogurt with pinpoint accuracy before moving to the induction sealing stage.
As the cream churns in slow motion, the milk solids begin to separate. We then carefully paddle the fresh.
Once the cheese is vacuum sealed, it moves to the labeling station, ensuring every package is ready for distribution.
Here you can see the automated line where the butter is wrapped in foil before being precisely loaded into their cartons.
The raw milk is pumped into the centrifugal separator, where it is spun at high speeds. This forces the heavier milk solids apart from the lighter cream.
Our state-of-the-art facility blends the freshest ingredients into the smoothest shakes you'll ever taste.
Experience the velvety, smooth perfection of our classic chocolate milk, cascading into freshness. The finished milk products are rapidly transferred to the automated packaging system, ensuring peak freshness and efficiency.
From the production line to the truck, we ensure every carton of milk and butter is sealed and delivered fresh.
Once sealed, the butter is immediately palletized and loaded onto our fleet of refrigerated trucks, ready for distribution across the country.
Every morning, our fleet delivers the freshest dairy straight from the heartland to your local store.
From our family farm to the factory to this delicious dessert, we deliver wholesome goodness to your table.